can hear the thunder in the background.
Oh yeah, there's also thunder, and in some other places, it's a thunderstorm. We were at the mall and it wasn't raining this hard.
Oh, that was lightning. Did you see that?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's why I said.
Yeah. Stay
I
inside.
kind of prefer it inside.
Yeah. And I think it says, oh wow. Like this video if you heard that. That was super loud. And now I think it's becoming like, becoming harder rain, so like, thumbs up the video, subscribe!